Looks like our season is officially over. Season's over. I know we ended the playoff drill and won the first game and visited a playoff game. Not exactly how I wanted the playoff game to go. Leonardo Perez in the offense. We had like less yards and we fumbled the ball and the Cardinals recovered it. But when we came back in the fourth quarter with 5 minutes to play, we're going to go for a Hail Mary game-winning touchdown and go to Bakersfield. Season's already over. Also, now we all know that the season is already over. This is Amaya's last year as cheer captain. This is her last year as cheer captain. Because in the springtime, she's going to be playing softball. So, if we want to make it far into the playoffs next year, we need to do some coaching changes. We need to bring in better players. Because it was absolutely not a good game. We shouldn't have won Battle of the Birds in Orosi. It's a town in Tulare, California. Tulare County, California. Sorry. But anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Press the subscribe button. Have a good night.